So today I'm going to be telling you what the deal was with me not posting almost at all for the last 2 weeks. Alright, so I know my videos have been kind of sparse lately. I haven't really been uploading as much as I probably should have. But it's because I was working on something else for you. And I'll tell you in a moment what that thing is. If this is your first time, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and I have not been posting very consistently. I realize this. My uploads, they've barely existed. But it's because I was working on something else for you. I was focusing all of my video making power, energy stuff into creating an online course for you guys. Woo! You should be proud of me. I put some actual effort and time into making this course. It's called Play Piano Fast. It was a lot of work and a lot of energy, but I finished it. And it's finally available for enrollment. But at this moment in time, there are only 10 spots, so if you're interested, I recommend enrolling as soon as possible. If you'd like to check out my course, it's linked down in the description. This course is designed to help you to learn to play all of your favorite songs as quickly as possible, even if you have no piano experience whatsoever. Play Piano Fast uses a system called chording. This is the same method I use for making my piano tutorials, if you've ever watched one. And if you've never watched one of my piano tutorials, I can link it up here in the YouTube card. Hopefully now that I've gotten this course up, my videos will be more consistent, like I had planned. That didn't go so well, but second chances, right? So hopefully this announcement will make up for the fact that I didn't post a piano tutorial this week. I plan to be more consistent, hopefully, but again, that's totally subject to change. The course is a one-time purchase instead of paying for months and months and months of piano lessons. Once you've learned the system, that's it, you're good to go. Now don't get me wrong, I did take piano lessons growing up, but I still prefer to use the chording method whenever I'm playing my own music for fun. Like I said, this is the system I use for my piano tutorials. Nobody teaches me how to play those songs, I teach myself. So if you're interested in learning how I make those tutorials, take the course. I teach you exactly how you can learn to play piano fast. Once again, the link is down below and there is only a limited amount of spots right now. Pop quiz, do you play piano? Do you not play piano? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if this is your first time here on the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you'll never miss a future video. Once again, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and I'll see you later. Bye! Blooper! Work and time and thought and energy into this. I started playing ukulele. What? That has nothing to do with this video. They didn't need to know that. And can you turn it down just a little bit, please? In order to film this video, I had to ask my little sister to turn off her Jonas Brothers music. Not blaming the Jonas Brothers, though. That's how much I care about you and want to share this valuable information with you. So feel special. Please leave. Woo!